Hi Aria. How are you?
Hi Daisy. I am fine. How about you?
I am good too. Do you come here regularly?
Yes. I come here every morning. Do you like coffee?
Yes. I do. I also like tea. What do you usually order?
I usually get a latte. What about you?
I like cappuccino. It's very good here.
Yes. It is. Do you want to sit and talk?
Sure. Let's find a table.
How is your job going?
It is going well. I am learning a lot. How is your job?
It is busy, but I like it. I work with nice people.
That's great to hear. Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes. I am going to visit my parents. What about you?
I am going to the beach with some friends.
That sounds fun. I love the beach.
Me too. Maybe we can go together next time.
I would like that. Let's plan for it.
Okay, it's a plan. I should go now. See you later.
See you later, Daisy. Bye.
Bye. Aria. Please like this video. I hope you liked this conversation. If you so improve your English a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend. Thank you very much for your support. Take care.